Welcome to Jadda's kitchen. During the holidays, there were lots of cookies to taste. This cranberry orange cookie has been a favorite with my family. For these cookies, you'll need 2 sticks of butter, a cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and 1 teaspoon of grated orange zest, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of chopped cranberries, and 2 1/4 cups of flour. Optional, you could put a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to chop the cranberries. Next, I want to grate the orange. Next, I'll squeeze this orange. Now we can start putting it together. You want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees. In a mixer, you want to cream together the butter and both of the sugars. Now we'll add the orange juice and the orange zest. In a separate bowl, you want to mix together the baking soda and the salt. When this is all mixed, add your cranberries. And if you'd like nuts, this is when you'd add the nuts to it. The juice of the cranberries made it a little bit pink. Now I'm going to use a scoop to lay out my cookies. Now we'll place this in the oven for about 13 minutes. For the rest of this dough, I'm going to scoop them out into balls, and now I'll put these in the freezer and let them freeze solid, and then I'll bag them and use them at another time. Place the cookies on a rack to cool off. When the cookies are cooled, transfer them to some parchment paper. If you are making all the cookies, you'll make a glaze that is 1.5 cups of powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of orange zest. I only have a few cookies, so I added the juice and the zest to the sugar and made it creamy. We're going to glaze the cookies. Let this sit and harden. I hope you enjoy making these cranberry orange cookies. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.